I'm representing for my people all across the world. No longer rolling in them polo scales. Taking my time to perfect the beat, and I still got love for the streets.
Still sway day, my brother. Aim spray, my brother. Switch to the U, shot so many clips, we switched them into AKA, my brother. I ain't talk about straps, far from that. In fact, it's payday, my brother. I was dropping tips from early. Ray J, my brother. When I was in college, I was rolling like the KK. I studied the chronic and I bagged myself a straight A. They call him out of the deliverance detox. I admit it's been a straight way, but that happens when they classify your debut as grade A. You ain't up on things. Mr. Sway, still the name, still ahead of my game. I made him holler, swipe, swipe. That's what I was known for. Then I told him up your speed. Fuck you guys, slow for. Used to ride in that Focus and popping like cassette. Now we got a different type of focus. Still popping like a wretch. Don't be fooled by the respect. Some Peter Parker pay respects. And I'm getting popular but not pop. Plus I go hard but I'm on that web. Firm grip back on the road, doing the whole tour with the old firm. And all it took was a phone call. Back in the booth, turn up the beats and the phones. While I'm still the truth, better than it like it's folk. Had a verse on loops, laces and a term. I know confess girl when I used to dream about being in the building. Now we occupy our own floor.
Representing for my people all across the world.
Still,
No longer rolling in them polo scales.
still,
Taking my time to perfect the beat, and I still got love for the streets.
still swaying.
Representing for my people all across the world. No longer rolling in them polo scales. Taking my time to perfect the beat, and I still got love for the streets.
Now which motherfucker wants to be Kano? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Jamie knows I'm serious, 100 bars over Meridian. Back when I was linking William up on Roman Road. You ain't fucking with my rep, nah. Fucking with my clique, nah. Mercedes advert, fucking with your rep, nah. And tell them little pussies who gets cheap, and I probably fuck your bird, so why would I need to tweet? Me and Sway still beast. Red Bull fridge, so why would I need to sleep? Left eye open, so why would I need to creep? I'll do me and get the meals, so why would I need to meek? London, I rep that east, but a nigga branch out like a family tree. UK on the map, and I fly that flag when I'm overseas. Been Beirut and Syria before that war got deep. Me and Bashy out in Australia with a Merc on One Day Beach. Passport crazy, yeah, they love me out in Lagos. But the fool I done 419, the way the pape's strong, and I don't mean to stunt.